So,
out here, undisclosed location on the sea mullets.
Yep.
Why are you wiggling it like that? Hello y'all, we're going fishing. Welcome back to my channel. No, that was so bad. You're going fishing with us. We got our alcohol, some ice,
and then I have the
fishing gear,
pin, international rod with a pin, reel, and it's a lose. Yeah, lose reel on a Terramar rod. It's a good little combination right there. The trout are calling, so.
and we're getting after it.
Yeah, it's low tide. Ripping lips today, baby.
Okay, so Campbell thinks she spotted some drum down at the end of the dock. I don't know. So we're walking down here before we get on the boat, and we're gonna see what we can do.
So this is a puppy drum.
Oh my gosh, she's so pretty.
Nice size one too, Violet. Look at its spots.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Yes, Violet. Perfect. Right off the end of the dock. Nice
So
puppy
pretty.
drum. These are my favorite fish.
Smile. Putting it back. There it goes. We got another one. Campbell got one. Go. Oh, that is so pretty. Nice, Campbell.
These are my favorite.
There you go. Here it goes.
Here comes Vio down the dock. We got 2 drum off the end of the dock, and my dad gave us a bag full of shrimp heads. We got the gulp baits. So kind of like a little crazy rig we got going, but we just have this hook with some shrimp heads on it, and the drum love it. So we're gonna take a quick little break so we can grub.
We'll get some lunch and then we're going out.
Oh yeah. Smell that? Smells sober to me. What you want? We're on the Vizzy hard seltzer. I got a hint of blackberry lime. Jarrett Bay, 35 years, 35 years.
Got some watermelon strawberry. Sponsor us. So we caught this drum and we are on the boat. And we're getting some drinks, and we're about to go.
Waiting for my mom. She's bringing us some sweatpants because it's a little, wind's picked up a little bit. You know, it's coming out of the northwest, 17 miles an hour.
So we are going to take a pause from our fishing and hydrate. Cheers.
Cheers.
Buzz down, Tatiana. Yeah, I want to see you buzz down. Buzz down, Tatiana. Buzz down, Tatiana. I want to see you buzz down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down. Speed it up, now slow that shit down on the gas. Slow it down.
Unfortunately, the hook got in there, and I think
we're gonna have to keep it.
yeah, we're gonna have to keep it.
Okay. All right, I got it.
Hold on, I'll show you.
Let's go.
Oh, sorry.
All right, y'all. Violet's got one on.
What is it?
Wait, look at that. It's the tiniest little black sea bass in the entire world. They have like sandpaper teeth.
We're gonna toss them back. This from the other fish. Terrible. And it won't come off, I just tried. We got a pigfish. Oh God. Stop. Okay. There it goes.
No, I think you have a bluefish.
I think I have no fish.
Oh. So this is a trout. And look, he's got one tooth. There. Look at that.
Where'd you catch him on?
Whoa!
Well, I got another one for you.
I dropped him. All right, we just reeled this.
3, 2, 1, action.
We just reeled this guy in.
Violet, I think it shit on you.
Net it. Oh shit. So I am soaking wet because we just had to floor it in here because there's this huge front coming in. It's raining back there, windy. So we ended our fishing trip a little short, but we got a lot of fish, so that's all that matters. We survived the ride home. We're very thankful for that. It was questionable there for a second, but yeah, hope you enjoyed our little fishing vlog. And that's it. Thank you. Hello. Okay, so I had a little incident on my kayak. I'll have to remember, but look what I just reeled in off the dock. Little puppy drum. Alright, I'm gonna unhook it. Oh! Okay. That wasn't as pretty as I thought it was gonna be.
Hey, bust down, Tatiana. Down, bring it down, speed it up, and slow that shit down on the gas. Slow it down, bust down, bust it, bust down.